Today, my friends, we're going to be building Half-Life 3 logo, a game that we all wish was there, or some of us wish was there, but it never came. But I'm running out of the 1/4-inch plywood for the backing. However, I have a bunch of these signs left over from previous competitions, and I'm not gonna hold garage sales or nothing, so just try to see if this works. It has kind of nice vertical lines to them, so it might just work out, not to be too sketchy. So I brushed it on black yesterday. I don't remember why, to be honest with you. Oh, because of the bark inside. I want to make sure it doesn't bleed through. So, because sometimes those markers do bleed through. But we'll go ahead and do the orange today. I never measure when I do this. Just kind of ballpark it. And a couple times I have gone through, but hey. Now we're gonna run a picture frame wire from here to here, so we can hang it up. And a little bit down. So there it is, all put together. Pretty glad I did. I actually really like how this thing came out. It almost looks like a janky corrugated steel, and I didn't paint too hard over it. So now, whatchamacallit, now it's all showing a little bit of black. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it looks a little bit aged. Came out pretty good. I think flat black would have been better, or just like satin black, but I didn't have any left, and I don't feel like going to Home Depot now. So, but metallic black looks really good here to offset the contrast with the like a plain orange. So great success. Thanks for watching.